Hi YouTuber. Today we have a new video about AC blower resistor for Buick Lacrosse 2010 and up until 2016. The AC is not working. I checked the fuses, all they are works, and so I came over here to the blower and I checked the blower. I tested the power on the blower. I got here hot and here hot, so it's supposed to be hot and ground. I took off that here you can see, you push that knob inside here, that tab, take out this, and I test over here. I get nothing on the black wire, but I got positive hot on the red wire. So I give direct the motor, I give him direct power, ground over here, positive over here, the motor run. So since I have two here hot, that's mean not the blower burn, it's the AC resistor. So I'll show you where is the resistor is located. We put this one back here. No, nothing wrong with the blower. So there is that I forgot to tell you at the beginning, you have to take this one off. Dark panel, hold in here. You have two screws here, 7mm, one here and one here. Then you pop up this and you take off the light harness. You push that tab here, one tab here on the side. You can push it like this, push it here, and then you take it off. So then you take off this one away from your side. There's another 7mm screw. Those are the screw I have, 3 of them, one attached to this one over here. So you lose that and then you snug out this one, that piece, snap it out, put it on the side too. And I'm gonna show you where is the resistor is located. Next to the blower motor, behind that piece, I just took it off. It is here 4 wire or 5, let's say. This is going to the motor. So that resistor is blown. That's why it's giving too hot to the motor. So we need to change this one. Take off this and this one has 3 wire, ground, hot, controller, 5V I believe. So we push those here, okay, and we need 5.5 to the screw, yeah, one on top, one on bottom, to take off the resistor. And once you get the new one, you hook it in, put back everything as supposed to be, and then the AC should be working. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like it. Bye.